Hey guys, we are super excited to have you here with us to open this mystery box. Chicken pox. Maybe on the outside of the mystery box I should say fragile or no. Wait, hashtag more than a box.
Oh, you could build,
what?
Wait.
We can make an airplane out of this box? What are these? Oh no, oh no. Sometimes the mystery is like not a mystery at all.
Oh, there's 3.
Houkie skate shoe sock, skateboard shoe protector. No way. Where did this come from? Who found this?
There's a note there.
What up, fellas? My name is Michael Frensko. That is so much to read. How could I ever possibly read so much? What's up, fellas? My name is Michael Frensko, and I am the owner and developer of this awesome new revolutionary skateboard shoe protector called Houkie. It has been 3 long years in the making, and I finally have finished the product along with a US utility patent. It is a super lightweight, 100 grams thin, 0.8 millimeter to 3.2 millimeter. I love when they give like the very specific like explanation of how thick it is.
Wow, that is interesting.
Super lightweight, durable overshoe that will save your skate shoes from getting shredded while skateboarding. The best part about Houkie is that it is removable and reusable. Not to mention the clear model allows you to still see your skate shoe through them.
Actually fits. Perfect size.
You'll see that Houkie protects almost 100% of the skate shoe from damage. The only thing I don't understand is this is kind of like rubbery. Yeah. Is that what you want on your grip tape?
You have to try it out, see.
Let's see how this works.
Wow, that is strange.
In the box, you'll find 2 pairs. One small, which fits men size 6 to 10. Well, these are size 10.
This is a medium.
Maybe I'll take the medium and you should take the small. We plan on releasing the Houkie skateboard shoe protector in October 2018 for everyone to purchase and enjoy saving a ton of money on the skate shoes. Please take a minute to follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Houkie, Instagram, Houkies with 3 S's, Twitter, Houkie Sales, and our YouTube channel. For additional info, head to our website, houkie.com. There's a lot going on there.
Yeah.
Well, peep that. Along with this letter is a page that gives you instructions on how to put the Houkie on your shoes, the easiest way.
I think we got it right.
I'm not even kidding right now. I'm genuinely like curious to try these. They make your shoes look like Crocs, and I love Crocs. Jeez. Well, okay, maybe I won't play, but I at least want to try a trick in there.
Slide them on. You are playing, you freak. You're likely gonna beat me. Didn't you beat me in Crocs?
I did.
See? Not only do they protect, but they also look cool.
They also attack. Yeah, these aren't gonna fit on my feet.
Don't break the Houkie, pull hard. You got it!
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Houkie!
Oh, almost got it. Ow, my finger.
Oh! You got it. Wow.
Wow, dude, look at that. That's stylish.
It is.
Look at that, dude. On my shoes, it looks sick. I'm so excited right now.
Yeah, it looks so dope.
Aaron?
Yes?
You're clowning me now. you just wait.
Coming soon, Gabe's most liked picture on Instagram. Oh no!
No! Houkie, no!
Don't worry, it won't break. What's that? What's that? This angle.
Oh, dude. Okay, no, that's good.
Benefits of the Houkie protector. One size fits a wide range of shoe sizes. Thin enough to allow skater to keep board fill. Flexible rubber to conform to any skate shoe. Durable enough to withstand grip tape and skate
the spot that
surface.
broke off, I was the one supposed to hold it.
It's so interesting. There's so many different companies trying to figure out how to handle like the tearing of the shoes. You have like the non-abrasive grip tape, etc.
I don't know.
Maybe just one.
I'm literally only gonna use my right shoe to do anything flicking.
Just leave that on. We're going like that.
Okay. My foot has never felt safer. I could find my future wife wearing these, right?
100%.
Oh yeah.
You could definitely go to the club in those and.
Oh, I know.
Pick up some girls.
No, you get a drink, you spill your drink, and your shoes are safe.
So you would dig these. You would dig these. You would recommend them.
Houkie!
What are those?
Never skate without protection.
You put them on top of your dress shoes.
Your skate shoes?
You go to work.
I'm gonna get married in these, yo.
Oh no, it ripped the side of the Houkie. These ones even fit and it ripped. Okay, let's go. Snipe.
Whatever.
Snipe. First try? They don't feel terrible.
I just feel like I have like a layer of oobleck beneath my shoes.
Yeah, kind of.
Or like I'm stepping on Play-Doh, but it's not messy. Oh, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. I could dig these.
Speak for yourself.
I sort of know that you could dig them.
Okay, literally the best tray flip of my entire life was in Crocs. So these, I'm feeling that again.
Rowan, I need that clip that he just said. I need it sent to me separately. Instagram, let's go.
Hey, you can record it from your phone. I'll say it again. They're more grippy than my actual shoes. That's not a lie. Okay, you know what? Now I have something to fight for. Now I'm playing for Houkie honor. That's the best kickflip you've ever done.
It's a little rocket, that's okay.
A little rocket.
Nobody saw. Wow, I'm out of tricks. I seriously don't know what to do.
I have an innate advantage with these.
It's true. Oh, we can all do shove-its. Real cool, guys. First try, Houkie! You had too much flip.
I haven't messed up a varial flip in like 8 years.
So what's that say about your Houkie?
Oh, Houkie.
The Houkies! I'm at K now.
No, don't touch it.
It's coming off.
It's on there.
Just gotta shimmy it up a little bit.
Yeah,
so it
there you
doesn't
go.
slide
You're
off.
fine, you're fine.
First heel flip test.
Yes!
Well, that was my one chance.
Maybe the Houkies are onto something.
I would be scared for my future children, but that's why I'm wearing a Houkie. Never been more confident. Fakey backside slider.
Oh!
Man, the Houkie's really getting to me right now.
Yeah. I don't even know what I was going for.
Dang! Oh my God!
X Games 2020, here we go. Houkie, let's go! Ow! You hit me right in the Houkie with your board. You give him one Houkie and he starts playing dirty. Houkie! Houkie! Bro, land that. Oh, what? He's still in. This guy, he just goes forever. Let's Houkie. Wow! Houkie and me are one!
I'm just trying to steeze out all my tricks. I want to look good.
Dang! You don't need to steeze anything to look good. You got that.
Oh, you're right. Wow. I'm gonna give this my full wang dango. Every Houkie ounce of power I have within myself. 2 tries, I'm gonna land this.
If you land it right here, I'll buy you a full set of Houkies. You had that! Just a little pause.
I've just been having like a little thigh cramp today, but we're fine.
Too much Houkie. take him out with something real good, something real saucy, something real nasty. Wow! No!
Save the switch for when I was out the game. Thank you, guys.
Oh my God.
No! Oh no! My feet are sweaty.
Should we try the 5 real quick?
Oh yeah, Houkie the 5.
How do they smell?
Used.
What did you think of the protection? You know, you didn't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, well, my shoe did not get damaged. You could see some slight wear on this. I mean, just being in all seriousness, that definitely wouldn't mess up with your shoe, right? Definitely a little worried about the style point type situation.
I think if you draw like a cool cartoon character, that'd be really cool.
Yeah, custom Houkie, like draw your own Houkie. That might fly.
Now the video that we should do now is barefoot with Houkies on.
Oh God.
I would really love to hear what you guys have to say about them, so leave that in the comments below. And like always, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are absolutely the best. We could not do this without you. Huge shout out to all of the hashtag notification squad and the Braille army, pushing skateboarding all over the world. You guys are the absolute best. So please click that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave a comment below. We'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.